This week silver was jumping up and down. We can see the week started with this small bullish candle. After that the price was going down to the next support 35.28, forming a bullish pin bar here on the market and then continue to rise in value. This bullish pin bar and then after that the bullish breakout has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. I have shared this information with them where they have received an entry level, a stop loss and a take profit level, and we can see it was a successful take profit level at the next resistance level. The price is reached at 36.72 and from there the price is returned back down on the Friday, forming this strong bearish candle. Now on the weekly time frame we can see that it is indecision candle on the market. We can see very closely similar to the last previous 2 weeks, but this one it is pretty indecision. So small candle body with a wick on the upper side and a wick on the lower side, which means there are no buyers and the sellers stronger to push the price in that direction. A monthly time frame currently shows me that we have a bullish candle formed for the rest of the month, and we have one more day until this month closes on a Monday, so we'll see how the price will behave on a Monday. But probably the price will stay as a bullish candle for the month, which means a bullish break at about 33.85 resistance level, which means there is still buyers stronger than the sellers, and this means a buying pressure targeting high price levels. How the price will behave in the next month, as it looks right now, there is indecision on the market where the price could return back down to 33.85 as support level and then find support to move further up, but there is also potential that the price continues to rise in value, making a bullish breakout and then targeting again higher price levels. For now there is no selling pressure here targeting lower levels below 33.85. We can see that the price is still in the strong bullish momentum, and also on the weekly time frame it is also a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, so there is potential that the price returns back down to this support and then continues to rise in value. We can see that this on the weekly time frame is not very clear because it is a wide area between this resistance and this support level, so it's very important to see how the price behaves on the daily. On the daily we can see the support is currently on the verge to be broken to target lower levels, but this is something that we will watch more closely on the daily time frame, and especially 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. Here we can see much more closely how the price is behaving and what are the support and resistance levels much precisely on the market. Also there is a breakout signals and also bullish and bearish, which I am sharing with the traders inside the premium analysis. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description, so if you would like to join to receive when the breakout happens, what is the entry level, what is the stop loss, what is the take profit level, feel free to check the link below and join if you would like to receive these. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.